Gliding above the water with unmatched grace, the hydrofoil is redefining personal watercraft as we know it. Faster, smoother, and far more efficient than traditional boats. By lifting above the waves, these marvels reduce drag, save energy, and offer a ride that feels like flying. In this video, we explore 7 top personal hydrofoils, revealing their finest details and cutting-edge features that set them apart in modern marine design. The Edorado emerges, electric, elegant, and cutting through the water on hidden wings. Measuring 27 feet 6 inch long with an 8 feet 3 inch beam, it easily accommodates 5 people and bears a uniquely sculpted carbon fiber hull that stays afloat on the water until takeoff. Powered by twin 50 kilowatts Torqeedo electric motors fed by an 80 kilowatt-hour battery pack, it cruises silently above the waves, achieving a top speed of 38 knots and a foiling range of around 40 nautical miles at 25 knots. At rest or in shallow water, retractable hydrofoils hide away, sleek and flush with the hull. Once speed builds, an automatic control system adjusts foil angles 100 times per second, lifting the craft and reducing drag by about 60%, turning every ride into a soaring experience. A sophisticated helm features 3 15-inch touchscreens, mood lighting, a Bluetooth sound system, and a built-in champagne bar, all framed within a Mobius-style cockpit designed for comfort and control. Independent docking isn't sacrificed. Twin electric drives allow precise maneuvering, while retractable foils ensure easy trailering and storage. This luxury hydrofoil bridges powerboat performance with zero-emission grace. The Edorado lifts above waves and into a new era of sustainable elegance on the water. The Seabubble's hydrofoil sits poised on the water, measuring 26 feet 3 inches long and 11 feet 6 inches wide. It offers space for a pilot and up to 7 passengers. Beneath the surface rest 3 carbon fiber T-shaped hydrofoils that lift the boat effortlessly as speed climbs to 8 knots. In flight, drag drops by around 40%, delivering silent, efficient motion at 20 knots in newer models. Propelled purely by electric motors, powered by battery packs of 90 kilowatt-hours, the Seabubbles offers 30 kilometers of range in its smaller version and up to 75 minutes in the Smart Bubble. Charging takes roughly 2 hours. Navigation is managed by fly-by-wire controls and an auto-stabilizing system. Gyros and altitude sensors adjust foil angles hundreds of times per second, maintaining roll-free, wave-free flight. A central helm includes digital interfaces, heating, AC, and premium audio for comfort. Retractable foils enable easy docking and trailering, while the clean-lined cabin, with panoramic windows and gull-wing doors, provides weather protection and a calm, cinematic ride. This hydrofoil watercraft turns lakes into silent passageways, melding cutting-edge flight with electric elegance. The Candela hydrofoil appears as a 28 feet 3 inches vessel with an 8 feet 3 inches beam, crafted from vacuum-infused 100% carbon fiber that balances lightweight strength with elegance. Beneath, 2 forward carbon fiber foils and a T-shaped aft foil lift the boat above waves, reducing drag by up to 80%. Its flight control system adjusts these foils hundreds of times per second using gyro, GPS, and height sensors for ultra-stable travel. Powered by Candela's submerged Seapod 50 kilowatts electric motors, the hydrofoil rapidly accelerates into flight at speeds above 16 knots. Maximum cruise speed can reach up to 30 knots. A 69 kilowatt-hour battery pack delivers a range of about 57 nautical miles at cruising speed. Draft varies from 1 foot 8 inches with foils retracted to 2 feet 11 inches when planing, or up to 4 feet 11 inches when foils are fully extended. The hull supports a pilot and 7 passengers, and offers both open and hardtop cabin versions. Layouts includes a cuddy cabin with berth, freshwater sink, marine head, premium audio, mood lighting, and underwater foil illumination. Navigation is managed through a 15.4-inch touchscreen interface with Candela's custom UI, integrating helm controls, charging management, climate settings, auto software updates, and sonar. Steering is achieved via steer-by-wire pod control, delivering intuitive handling and minimal maintenance. This electric hydrofoil merges powerboat speed with zero-emission serenity and a whisper-quiet glide. The Candela Hydrofoil transforms waterways, lifting travel into a refined and sustainable experience. The Valo Hydrofoil appears an 11 feet 6 inches vessel blending carbon fiber, titanium, and high-strength steel into a compact marvel. Beneath, front and rear hydrofoils lift it nearly 2 feet above the water, cutting drag and delivering smooth, silent travel. A submerged 80 kilowatts electric motor drives the stern foil, accelerating from 0 to flying height and reaching cruising speeds of 27 miles per hour, with bursts up to 42 miles per hour. Powered by a 69 kilowatt-hour battery, it cruises for roughly 68 miles, about 2 hours on a single charge, with 80% recharged in just 3 hours using level 2 charging. Empty weight sits near 730 pounds, while max payload reaches 1,100 pounds, offering agile performance without compromise. Draft shrinks to just 1 feet 3 inches when foils are raised and extends to 4 feet 3 inches in flight, ideal for trailering and docking in shallow waters. Intuitive flight is managed by Skyride, an active control system that uses gyros and height sensors to adjust foil surfaces over 100 times per second, keeping the ride steady even in choppy waters. Steering flows through a yoke-style cockpit piloting a wave-slicing stunt plane across water. Silence reigns. Zero wake, zero exhaust, zero noise. It's an electric surfboard turned craft. By blending aerospace-grade stabilization with electric efficiency, the Valo Hydrofoil elevates every outing, transforming waterways into personal flight zones. The Quadrofoil Q2S glides across the water as a sleek electric hydrofoil, stretching 9 feet 8 inches in length with a beam of 7 feet 1 inch. Its hull, crafted from lightweight, yet durable glass-reinforced plastic, encloses an airtight upper section that keeps it virtually unsinkable. Below, for C-shaped aluminum alloy hydrofoils, 2 forward, 2 aft, deploy to lift the craft above the surface at speeds over 6.5 knots, reducing drag and delivering a smooth, near-silent ride. Powered by a 5.5 kilowatt electric motor paired with a 10 kilowatt-hour battery, enabling a top speed of 21 knots and a range of up to 62 miles per charge. Manual and electric tilting mechanisms allow the foils to retract for easy trailering or shallow water operation. Inside the Formula One-inspired cockpit, a color touchscreen built into the steering wheel serves as both a display and controlling ignition. It also shows speed, battery life, GPS position, range, and power usage. Multifunction controls and a kill switch lanyard add to the precision. The QFHM flight management system automatically adjusts foils and motor settings for balanced, stable flight. Safety and comfort round out the design with ergonomic seating for 2, anti-slip flooring, windscreen, mirrors, cup holders, and essential safety gear like life jackets, a first aid kit, whistle, paddle, and collapsible ladder. The Quadrofoil Q2S seamlessly merges futuristic technology with elegant, eco-friendly performance. The Lazzarini Jet Capsule GT-F measures 32 feet 9 inches in length with an 11 feet 3 inches beam, crafted from 70% carbon fiber and fiberglass via vacuum infusion for lightweight strength. Beneath, hydrophiles deploy from 1 foot 8 inches immersion, lifting the pod above waves to reduce drag and smooth the ride. Twin-engines Hamilton water jets deliver 1,200 horsepower, reaching speeds up to 60 knots. Fuel capacity of 230 liters allows a range of 110 nautical miles. The hull displaces 3.58 t at full load, carrying 12 passengers plus pilot. Interiors reflect private jet luxury, mood lighting, photochromic windows, lounge seating, bathrooms, and optional kitchenette. Navigation includes GPS, LED adaptive headlights, debris scanners, and sonar. Flight control systems adjust foil angles and thrust via gyros and height sensors hundreds of times per second for stable foil flight. Draft shifts from 1 foot 8 inches to 3 feet when airborne. Foils retract for docking. Steering uses fly-by-wire pads, touchscreen displays, and aviation-style interfaces. This hydrofoil blends jet boat speed with elegance, gliding in near silence, poised, powerful, and poetic over the water. The Kormaran K7 emerges like a mechanical sea creature, transforming form and function at will. Measuring 23 feet in length with a variable beam stretching from 5 feet 9 inches to 11 feet 5 inches, this hydrofoil is sculpted from carbon fiber composites with titanium and stainless steel components. The sleek hull hides retractable hydrofoils that lower into the water, lifting the craft above the waves to reduce drag and increase efficiency. Power flows from a hybrid propulsion system, combining a 493 horsepower gas engine with electric motors, delivering a top speed of 44 knots and a comfortable cruise at 22 knots. With a fuel capacity of 79 gallons, its range extends up to 124 nautical miles, allowing longer adventures without compromise. The cockpit is designed for 2 passengers, including the pilot, wrapped in carbon fiber and leather luxury, blending futuristic controls with elegance. Navigation is managed by a fully digital interface, incorporating GPS, multifunction touchscreens, gyro, height sensors, and automatic foil control systems that adjust position hundreds of times per second. Steering is electronically assisted, offering fly-by-wire precision, while the hull transforms from monohull to catamaran or trimaran mode at the push of a button. The Kormaran K7 is not merely a boat. It is a shape-shifting marvel that dances above the water, a blend of sport, science, and luxury unlike anything else afloat. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to NanoTech for your next dose of tech updates. Until then, stay innovative and see you soon.